I'm Chef Anthony Marino, and I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Grape Brie Pizza. Simple to make, it's sure to delight with all its complex flavors. This recipe has a saltiness from speck, the sweetness in the grapes, acidity of the red wine balsamic reduction, and the creaminess of the brie. For this pizza, you'll roll out the dough into a nice circle and try to stretch it out as thin as possible. Add your mozzarella on top, fresh grapes that have been cut in half, speck cut in half-inch pieces sautéed until golden brown. Speck is a cured meat from the northern part of Italy in the Alto Adige region. It's the same cut as bacon, however it's cured like prosciutto with the addition of juniper berries and spices to give it a unique flavor. Continue by adding brie and drizzle the red wine balsamic vinaigrette reduction. Bake it until the crust turns golden brown. Here is our finished Grape Brie Pizza. It's great served as an appetizer or as a main meal with a tossed salad, a beer, or a glass of red wine.